On this screencast, I wanted to talk about my experience for moving all stylization of the web page onto a separate CSS page. From the Linda courses at the beginning of the semester, they discussed the history and progression of web design. It definitely made sense to me from an organizational standpoint that the style sheet would be on a separate page. I definitely found my HTML page to be more clear, and I was able to better organize the content of my pages. In the beginning of working on the external CSS, I actually kept the clean slate code commented. Then checking back on the exercise 2 requirements, it had to be active as the first lines of the CSS page. Good thing I wasn't almost done with it because the design of the web page was so different with the clean slate code activated. I already organized the divs, so adding the padding, margins, and borders were easier. Just another point I noticed during coding was that I frequently saved my code and used FileZilla to see the changes of my web page. I also used the inspect option of my browser to see the padding and margins of a specific item. Both actions were essential to my understanding and learning of the assignments in this class.